Napapagod ka na bang magsimula ng bagong fitness program tapos after a few weeks or a few months, susuko ka na naman? Ganyan din ako dati. Laging nagsisimula tapos hindi tumatagal. Pero with my once a week workout, hindi na ako nabu-burnout. Isang session lang, pero intense. And that's enough. Ang sikreto dito, consistency. Mas madali mong masustain ang fitness routine mo kung hindi ka pressured mag-gym araw-araw. With just one full body workout, you get results without the stress or overtraining. Plus, mas madaling mag-maintain ng calories or even mag-calorie deficit kasi hindi ka palaging gutom from multiple workout sessions. At dahil machine-based exercises, safe siya and walang risk ng injury. Basta hindi ka mag-ego lift or gagawa ng explosive movements sa exercises. Ang resulta? Less burnout and mas malaki ang chance maging fit ka for life. Hindi ka mawawala ng motivation dahil consistent ka. Kung gusto mong malaman kung paano maging fit without burning out, follow for more tips.